What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing the series called Invest With Me. So stay tuned. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. And today we're going to be continuing this series called Invest With Me, where we invest $20 every Monday into a new token. So let's just get right into it, guys. Woo! So week three of our new series called Invest With Me. Invest with me. So, all right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and bring up the old phone here. And we are just going to recap. We're going to recap last week. So, as of right now, we are at, well, this number's not accurate. Because if you've been following along, we have some tokens that we got to get rid of. I'm actually going to do that today. I'm going to do that today so that we can all be on the same page. So this Dogecoin I've had in here for a while. Oh my God, I love Doge. I don't want to get rid of this, but I'm going to go ahead and sell it all. So my little 210 Doge, I'm going to go ahead and sell that. That's going to go into my USD wallet. So that is gone. My USDC wallet. Go ahead. There we go. So I no longer have that lingering Doge. We're gonna end up buying some Doge on this series anyway, but we haven't done it yet, so I want to be fair. What else was it? Cosmos. Okay, so if you guys haven't been following along, I have $5 of Cosmos in here. But it's because it's been staking for a couple years. It was a couple cents. In California, you can't stake anymore. So hopefully that changes soon so I could start adding to this because this is awesome. But anyways, so I have 17 cents. Let me see if I can get rid of all of this. Yeah, I can. No, I can't. It's too low. So it's only 17 cents, so I can't really sell it. So we're going to minus that. We're going to minus this right here, this $5 and like 20 cents here out of our total stellar lumens. I have 1.1 stellar in there with 14 cents. So that's really not a big deal, guys. The main thing is that you have your threshold, your polygon, and that's it. That's all we invested in. We invested in threshold and polygon. And today we are going to pick our next token of the week. So I'm actually going to go to this home section. I put it in my list here. So the token that we are going to check out today. Oh, what is going on? What are we getting out? It's all the way at the bottom here. So this token is called. Oh, man. Sorry, this is a little side note. I was just checking out Fetch AI. If you guys haven't seen my video on Fetch AI, it was like 4 months ago, and the token was at 23 cents. Now, if you check that out, Fetch AI price is at 69 cents. So if you bought in, 4 months ago, you made a little bit of money. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool, guys. If you guys want to purchase some more Fetch AI, I'd highly recommend it. Okay, so this is a token. Oh no, I was debating. If you guys were here last time, we were talking about ICP. Because ICP is going crazy, guys. ICP's doing things. And I want to get involved again with ICP. I don't think I bought anything on this account. No, I never bought anything on this account. But I believe I bought ICP through, I think it was a Binance. I forget which exchange it was on. But I had bought some ICP on my old wallet, made some money off of it, and sold it. Right now we're at $13, so we might be able to buy one One and a half maybe, but it's such a tough decision because this is the token I was going to talk about today. Magic. Magic token. What the hell is Magic token? So, about Magic. Magic is a utility token of Treasure, a decentralized gaming ecosystem built on Arbitrum, whatever that is. Magic tokens are used in gameplay to participate in governance, to buy and sell NFTs on the Treasure marketplace, and can also be staked. That is huge, guys. You know, on this channel, we love staking because staking makes money. Instead of having your crypto just sit there and do nothing, it's kind of like having dividends, like dividend stocks. Staking is freaking where it's at, guys. So, the utility of this token is this gaming ecosystem. We're going to go ahead and click on their website here. The magic of play. Treasure is a decentralized gaming ecosystem bringing games and players together through magic. So, I love tokens with utility, especially utility when it comes to gaming. Gaming is freaking awesome. I'm a gamer myself, so I love the fact that, you know, the crypto space is transitioning into the Web3. Well, it created Web3, and now gaming is transitioning into the Web3 space with play to earn and stuff like that. Let's go ahead and check this out. So it says build. You could build with Treasure. They have an infrastructure game builders program. Might want to check that out if you guys are any developers out there. Obviously, I'm not going to read everything on their website. If you guys want to check out their website, if you guys want to see everything, go ahead and go to treasure.lol, and you guys can see it there. I'm actually going to go ahead and click on games because I'm interested to see what kind of games they have right now. So just like Gala, it transitions to an app where you can connect your wallet. And here are a couple games here. Wow, they have a few games actually. Look at this. I think these ones down here are in the works, but these ones here that say free to play, they might be, looks like they're ready to play. What is this beacon? That one looks kind of cool. Go ahead and click on it here. Oh, a little bit of music. I'm going to turn the volume down on that because sometimes my audio doesn't sync properly. And yeah. So this looks pretty cool, guys. This looks pretty cool. Little MMO RPG, looks like PvP. The Beacon is a fast-paced action, heavy fantasy, roguelite RPG that'll incorporate MMO-like social gameplay and NFTs. Players traverse through progressively harder dungeons, hone their reflections, slaying enemy monsters, explore the world with your friends. So, that's pretty cool, guys. That is definitely something that I want to check out. So, you know what? We're going to do it, guys. We're going to go ahead and do it. We're going to do it. We're going to go ahead and we're going to slap in our $20 buy. So we are going to buy 16 Magic. 16 Magic. It's not going to be a weekly investment. We're going to pick a new token next week, and we're going to go ahead and place that order, guys. And we are out of here. All right, we're going to go to done. I didn't screenshot it. I forget to, dang it, that sucks. I always screenshot everything I purchase just for my own sake. All right, now we're at $71.54 minus the $5-6 or whatever. And I'm not sure if it's counting this little $16 that I have in my USD. Yes, it is. Because I have crypto, $55. Let's see. Yes. Okay, so we are not at 70 some bucks because I have $16 worth of cash in there that we're going to use for one of our next purchases. But yeah, guys, so far, minus the Cosmos, we are at 55.43 minus 5.22 and 14 cents. Not bad. Not stinking bad. As you can see, we've been fluctuating. Let's go to a week here. All right, let's check out our month. So as you can see, we've been progressing. We've been slowly progressing, little by little. You know, we're like the little engine that could, guys. We're like the little engine that could, and we are gonna make some freaking money this year. So, Magic Token, part of the Treasure ecosystem. I highly recommend that you guys go check out their website and go check out those games, guys. Go check out those games. I'm probably gonna do a video on their games coming up, hopefully this week, maybe, because this looks pretty cool. So I'm actually going to screenshot this because I didn't screenshot and I just like to have a record. Even though there's a record here, I just like to have my own personal records just for any discrepancies. But yeah, guys. Yeah. I think that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!